Welcome back, traders. This is the extension of the inside look of the indexes. We're going to take a look at the NASDAQ 100. In my opinion, currently, this is where the strength is in the market. So far, the earnings have been fantastic on the technology companies, and this is where I really want to be if this market breaks out to the upside. Now, if the NASDAQ 100, the NDX, breaks down here, that kind of spells trouble for this market. If the strength weakens, we're in trouble. So let's take a look here. We can see we've got the lower trend line coming through. Okay, the stock closed right at that, well, the index closed right at that trend line on Friday. So that's pretty much a good sign of strength right there. We couldn't break below it. Now the other thing is, we also had the 20-day moving average coming through. Okay, you can see a resistance area back here, and that's basically it for the 20-day. We also couldn't close below that on Friday, which is a good sign of strength. Now today we gapped down. We had the piercing candle coming back through, and it's Monday the 22nd of October. You can see we're up 26 points today. That's a pretty good recovery rally. We got a resistance up here that if we get up there, we've got to break through, and if that takes place, we should have a nice breakout. The risk right now is really on the downside. After Friday with a big sell-off, that's the concern. Currently, to me, this is showing strength because we're holding the support, and also on the prior video of the OEX, we're also holding support. Let's move to the weekly chart here. Now on the weekly, okay, we can see big move to the upside. We're kind of looking overextended. We're way above our moving averages. If you're a Bollinger Band player, we're right up into the upper Bollinger Band. I don't have them on there here right now. But also, let's put some trend lines on here. Let's join the bodies of the swing lows through here. Okay, get the parallel line coming through. And you can currently see we're right up into that upper trend line. Now that would suggest a nice pullback here, and that'd be healthy for this market at this point. If not, we may already have the pullback and be looking for the breakout beyond from here. Now, if we do pull back, you can see the prior resistance. I'll be expecting to pull back somewhere in this range or even the lower trend line, which would be great. If we were to pick up a short on that, you could see from about 2100 down to 2000 here. You got a 100-point drop there. That'd be great on the NDX puts. One of my favorite trades. Well, there's your completion of the inside look of the indexes here. A great strategy, great technique that I utilize a lot to follow where the indexes were moving, looking at the strength inside the indexes to get a much better picture to see if the strength is weakening. Thanks for attending freetradingvideos.com. You're here with Breakout Trader. Till next time, take care. Keep the education rolling because it equals profits.